80% of all customer journeys begin online. Most don't get off to a good start.
If I can't find what I want online, I just give up and get frustrated quite quickly.
So, well, if I can't get what I want on the particular website, I'll go to another website and, yeah, just buy from there. They would have lost a customer, basically, yeah.
I like to find something online because I shouldn't be calling someone if I have an internet access, I think.
Wouldn't it be great if websites gave you the answer you were looking for? One right answer, first time, every time. At Self-Service Company, it's our job to make that happen. We get online customer journeys off to a good start by providing a friendly, resourceful, intelligent guide. Our virtual assistants support over 120,000 customer journeys every day. When customers come online to ask questions, they provide the right answers. When customers come online to complete tasks, they make sure they have the information they need to get them done. When they want to browse and shop, they help them complete their purchases.
Onze klanten bij Ziggo gebruiken Tess, de chatbot, 24 uur per dag. Als je het onze klanten vraagt, zijn ze soms nog meer tevreden over Tess dan over de live agent.
We wouldn't be without Phoebe, that's for sure. She's become very much part of the website and the web experience for customers. Customer response to Phoebe has been, she's a personalised face to our knowledge base.
Our virtual assistants cut through the information overload and get straight to the point. We've advanced the use of natural language processing and semantic search protocols to interpret customers' questions precisely. That means our virtual assistants respond with accuracy and empathy. We've built a sophisticated rules-based engine that cuts through the jungle of an organisation's structured and unstructured data to find the very thing the customer is looking for. This means our virtual assistants can do more than just answer questions. They can guide customer journeys. And we're continuing to innovate to make those journeys ever more satisfying for customers and profitable for our clients. We're making our virtual assistants super resourceful by linking to any information sources in our clients' enterprise or social networks. And we're building their ability to recognize customers when they come online. Today, most conversations with virtual assistants begin when a customer asks a question. In future, those assistants will initiate conversations themselves, drawing upon a vast array of data to offer personalised information, suggestions and proposals based on a clear understanding of who they're talking to and what they might need. We call this the Customer Information Exchange, the point at which the virtual assistant becomes the meeting point for everything an organisation has to offer and everything its customers might need. Find out more about Self-Service Company, your partner for the customer journey.